My name's Valerie Cordry. I'm one of the owners of East Coast Garden Center, RSC Landscaping, which is the Cordry Companies.
My name is Chris Cordry. I'm one of the owners here as well. I think in the past we did a lot with Proven Winners, but sometimes the Proven Winner plant would get lost in the mix of all the other varieties. So we really wanted to create an area that we could really feature the Proven Winner project.
The destination part of the garden center, it was a perfect marriage for us.
What we did was we took a troubled area in our garden center where we weren't utilizing it and really created an awesome area that people can go. We got the plants off the ground, which I think really showcases them a lot better. We also created an arbor to kind of define the space. We have a pretty large garden center, so it's hard to find things, so it's important that your signage is done properly. So we worked with Proven Winners to create a simple sign, but a great sign.
When you enter the nursery and your eye looks straight back and you see this area and you see the signage, and it's enough to see color, but you probably can't read it from there. And so to me, subliminally, you're coming up and saying, what is that? I want to see what's going on back there. I see a lot of color, a lot of signs, and I see something that looks pretty. I want to go see it.
I think there's definitely been more traffic in both our destination areas. In the shrub area, I see people in here all the time. Like I said, not that many people shopped it before. It wasn't set up properly, and now I always see people in this area.
I look at it as a problem-solving area because every problem that they have, you have an answer to it, and it's a great place to come to.